How long have you been here? Since, for, ago. Since is used before unspecific period. For is used before specific period. Ago is used after specific period. Since, always used with perfect tense to refer to a specific point in the past. A specific point in time. For example, I have lived in the USA since 1996. She has worked here since her father passed away. For examples, since 1997, since for Olak, since January, since I have traveled. For is used when we talk about a period of time from the beginning of the period to the end of the period. I have worked in this job for 10 years. For examples, for 3 years, for 9 months, for an hour. Ago is used when we talk about the moment when the action started. It is used with the past tense. She was absent 2 days ago. For examples, 1 month ago, 5 years ago, 1 week ago.